Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dennis from Spotahome. Today here in Valencia, we'll be checking out a really cool apartment. Okay, so basically we're situated in the city center, so that's obviously really cool. We got a one-bedroom apartment. Okay, we got a really neat design, super modern. We got super tall ceilings. We got a pretty big terrace too, with some cool views of the rooftops of the city. So overall, a really cool apartment. Okay, so we're now gonna see a distribution of the apartment to see how we got the spaces going on over here. First off, we got the entrance area, okay, which is this space over here. Then we head into the living room space, okay, which we got just over here. It extends up until this other side that we can see, okay. And we got attached pretty much to the entrance the kitchen, okay, which is we got the access through this door. And then if we go over here, we'll find the terrace space that we go over here up the stairs, as you can see. And we got the bedroom with its ensuite bathroom over here, okay? So we're now gonna start off checking out the entrance area. As we mentioned, we got it over here. Everything's looking really cool. We got some really nice stones that are matching really neatly with this wooden floor that we got going on pretty much throughout the whole apartment, okay? So that's a really cool feature. We got also some pictures decorating the walls over here of the entrance. We find also more decoration over here, okay. And now we're gonna go and place ourselves just over here to see exactly what we would see if we just cross the entrance door and turn slightly to the right, okay. So we got the pictures that we previously saw. We go in a straight line, okay, a few steps ahead, and we got the living room area. So we're gonna now check out first the kitchen, okay, that we mentioned was attached to the entrance. We go through this door that we open like this, and we find a pretty modern kitchen too, okay. We got space for storage over here on the top, okay, and over here also we got some dishes, we got some equipment going on. We find coffee machine, we got our microwave, we got the cooking fire, we got the oven just underneath. We find some drawers over here, okay. We also got the sink to this side. We got some pictures decorating this side of the kitchen too. And we got two windows over here that can be covered up by this door, as we can see. And we find this kind of views. Okay. Now, heading back into this living room side, we got a really cool setup of decoration overall. As we mentioned, two super tall ceilings. We can see several different meters over here from the bottom, okay. And we're gonna check out this side first. As you can see, we got our fridge over here, really modern design, really good looking. We got also this kind of walls on this side. We got the couch over here, okay, which is situated just underneath this set of windows, which are actually pretty big. Remember, we got a lot of lights entering into this apartment, both from this side and from this other side, okay. So that's also a very important feature. Now to this side, we got this space, okay, where we find this kind of closet for some extra storage. We got also this rounded table over here, another one just in this corner. We got some decorations too going on the walls and on the side over here, okay. Television settled really neatly, just as you can see on the wall. We got this table just in front of the couch, okay. We got some decoration too over here. And now we head into this area where we can find a rounded table made out of glass. It is surrounded by 4 chairs in this case. And we can see the rest of the living room, which is formed by this massive picture, which is decorating this wall. We got also some space for storage underneath over here, okay. So we mentioned the stairs, some decoration over here, and then we got the access through these 2 doors, which are actually pretty tall too, to the terrace. We also got AC units that we can see in the top, okay. And we're gonna check out first the bedroom and the bathroom, which we find over here. As we see too, pretty neat overall. We got this double-sized bed. We got a lot of light entering from this massive window too, which as we can see heads into the terrace. We got 2 tables, which are besides each of the 2 sides of the bed, also equipped with some lights We got a heating unit, we got a picture, we got a light over here hanging from the ceiling. Remember, really tall. And to the side, we can find these wardrobes, okay? So spaces are also really neatly settled. Now, we can check out the interior of the wardrobes, okay? So we can see that we got actually quite a lot of space to store our things. Now, as mentioned, we find this ensuite bathroom, okay? So we got it literally inside our bedroom. Can be separated also by this door. And we find pretty much all of the equipment that we need. So we got the bathroom space, the toilet space, sorry. We got over here more equipment. Okay, we got some decoration on the walls. The sink over here, which has also some really cool colors. We got the mirror, 2 drawers on the bottom and a stool, and the shower space, which is over here. Okay, we also got a window and some space in this corner to store products. So really useful. Okay, now we're gonna head into the last part of the apartment, which is, as we mentioned, the terrace space. Going up through the stairs, I'm gonna take a quick look over here of the living room. Okay, and we head into the terrace, which, as you can see already from this angle, is pretty big. Okay, and we receive also a lot of sun. Got a lot of plants too going on over here. Okay, now we can check out also from this angle. So you can see really cool setup overall. We entered through this door, and this would be the window for the bedroom. Now we can also see that we got the space over here where we can lay down, okay? And we find these views of kind of these rooftops, which is actually really cool and really chill overall. Okay, over here we can see also some street views. Okay. Right guys, so this has been the visit for today. This has been Dennis from Spotahome. Hope you have really enjoyed this video, and let's see you in the next one.